My name is Hubert Devnish. I'm a linguist. I'm interested in Caribbean Creole languages, and the case of Trinidadian French lexicon Creole is very special. In most situations, one has to travel high into the mountains or deep into forests to find the last speakers of a dying language. Not so in the case of Trinidadian French Creole. Just outside Port-of-Spain, the capital, and off a side road leading out of the now suburban area of Maraval, is a steep road leading into and up into Paramin. The jeep-like vehicles serving as taxis up the steep road tell us that right here on the doorstep of the capital is another world. A world of small hillside cultivation of seasoning and of transporting the seasoning to the city to be sold and returning to the cocoon that is Paramin, the community of French Creole speakers, their lifestyles and their cooking. And the world of Mrs. Constantine, who seems to have inherited in her genes the language and the culture.
Qui nom?
Marie.
Marie? C'est Tite? C'est Titou? C'est Titou?
Titou.
Constantine.
Constantine.
What I carry an Alexandrian Constantine.
Oh.
That is the name I born with.
Qui la joue? Qui la joue?
Moi.
Ouais.
85.
Tu parles anglais?
Non, papa moi était capable anglais.
Ouais.
Mais maman moi était capable patois.
Ouais.
Mais maman moi était connaît tout le bagage en anglais aussi, mais était capable patois.
Ouais.
C'était un Caraïbe.
Ha 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 ha. Ou paye très juste capable pour moi. Moi vaut plus passer ou plus moi trouver pour rien.
You know what I mean?
Tell me. Tell
You
me.
say, he telling me, my husband telling me, he pay 13.6 cents for me, so he buy me. I say, well, I work more than you because you pay for me and I get you free.
Choix forme
Choix
l'oignon.
forme esclavage. Cucumber,
Cocombe.
couscous. Yeah, hatu. Ano hatu?
Ça c'est un gros l'oignon.
Dis-moi
Oignon.
encore.
Gros l'oignon.
Gouillon.
Gros l'oignon.
Gros.
Gros l'oignon.
Non, non.
Assou, on voit ici.
How do you make that? Just genre café.
Ça. Voilà. Un point de là. En bas, un bois.
Ouais.
Si ka sorti men piti. Right?
Hungry.
The reason why let's put this is to prevent the steam from coming out. So you're going to find it steaming inside, right? And when it's steaming inside, very little does get away, escape from on the edges. So you'll find that now, that right up until it touches the leaves.
Right.
So it covers the breadfruit and everything, and the fish, so all the ingredients of the fish going into the breadfruit.
Right.
And the taste of it, so when you taste,
Right.
yeah.
Right. Okay.
Nicole,
Ouais.
excusez-moi, je voulais connaître.
Ouais.
Qui place où sorti?
Moi, caractère Jamaïque.
Ma quello che sono in Martinique, si chiama Usa Pale, quello si chiama quello sotti.
No, moi, t'apprends créole à l'école.
En Jamaica même,
Ouais.
ça va.
Mais, moi, t'es allé à Guadeloupe.
Oh,
Ouais. Et moi, t'es raconté mon qui t'a parlé créole. Mais moi, pas songé pour parler créole. Alors,
pode conhecer. Se pode conhecer com falei avant.
ouais.
Parce que c'est à Jamaica, yo ou aller l'école et puis yo apprendre l'anglais.
Ouais, ouais. Ok. Dis-moi, non, encore.
Je crois que moi, Luke, L-U-K-E.
Ça c'est prénom. Ça c'est prénom.
Oui.
Type.
Constaté. Consentai. What is it, constaté?
You sell it. You sell to people in the market.
Oui, van.
Ukale.
La place. Oui, on connaît la place, van. Oui. Ça, moi, nous, si c'est déjà jamais, si moi, qui goûte, ça, j'ai à produire. Et puis, trop pour nous. Donc, voilà la place. Et puis, il y a des qui est venu, qui a acheté, qui va donner la monnaie. Aujourd'hui, je suis regardé bon. J'ai regardé ce que je vois. Travail, ouais. Et puis, nous ne pouvons pas garder nous et puis nous pour respect. When God created Adam and Eve, He took them in the Garden of Eden. Today, they put the minister in certain countries in front of the farmers. First person should come in a country is a farmer, because the farmer feed. Without food, you can't go anywhere. An empty bag can't stand up, and a full bag can't bend.
There's been renewed interest in Trinidadian French Creole and its culture within Trinidad itself. There are now groups set up to protect and promote the language and its culture. However, all of that is taking place at precisely the time when almost nobody uses the language in the course of normal, everyday life. Can an industrializing, petrochemically based society such as Trinidad re-identify with an agrarian and community-based language such as Trinidad French Creole? Moi pas ça, I don't know. Ça ou qu'à penser? What do you think?